Hello everyone. What is this? Yes, it is an apple. I have two children and I want to divide this one apple among these two children. So, what should I do? Yes, cut the apple. So, let's cut. I have made two equal parts. I have divided the apple into two equal parts, and one part I give to each child. Now we can write this as 1 divided by 2 or 1 upon 2, and it is called as half. Now I divide this one apple among 4 children. So let's cut the apple into 4 equal parts. Now I have to give one part to each child. So we can write this as 1 divided by 4 or 1 upon 4. It is called a quarter. I have 3 children. Out of these 4 parts, I give one part to each child. When I add this, I get 3 upon 4, and this is called 3/4. Now we have 1 is called a whole, quarter, half, and 3/4. In this drawing, you can see first one is whole, second one is 1/4, only one part is colored there with blue. Next one, two parts are colored, so it is half. And last, 3 parts are colored. It is called 3/4. Thank you.